Welcome to CATEX TV. My name is Frank Fortunato. Today is Friday, March 9th, 2012. The American economy added 227,000 jobs in February. Economists had been expecting that it would add only 213,000 jobs. Greece has cleared a major hurdle in its race to avoid bankruptcy. It managed to persuade 86% of private investors holding its government bonds to take a little bit of a haircut. So now they can clear the way for the biggest rescue package yet. The CEO of Airbus has accused European Union officials of starting a fight with China over aircraft emissions that he says threatens to cost Airbus $12 billion in jet orders from China. He said the company is being held hostage to the dispute between Beijing and Brussels. Insurance Australia Group is axing 600 staff at CGU as part of its plan to save about $70 million US in costs at the subsidiary. IAG is expected to get the all-clear to purchase the bailed-out New Zealand carrier AMI next month. It revealed it's restructuring its operating model as part of its Australian intermediated insurance business. The BMS Group, the broker in London, is going to expand its global wholesale division by launching a new construction practice. The team supposedly has extensive experience and a particular focus in the U.S., Canada, and Africa. It's currently believed to be exploring a number of opportunities in Australia and New Zealand. As a result of the earthquake, there's a lot of construction going on. The American government is reducing its stake in AIG. It's going to sell over 205 million shares for an aggregate price of $3 billion. It's going to net about $58 million in profit for the taxpayers. The Italian insurer Generali has agreed to sell 70% of its holding in Migdal Insurance and Financial Holdings to Shlomo Elihu, who is the controlling shareholder of the Israeli financial group Elihu. The transaction is worth about 835 million euros. It'll be entirely in cash. Generali said that Israel is no longer part of its expansion strategy. And in Kenya, don't get sick there now, 25,000 nurses who were on strike were fired by the government yesterday. They went on strike on March 1st to protest the government's failure to implement a salary increase that was agreed to last year. The government said that they can no longer sit and watch as Kenyans suffer in hospitals. The 25,000 nurses are gone. Meanwhile, the government said 2,700 dispensaries and 700 healthcare centers are fully back in operation. We don't know who's working there. That's the news for today. Have a good weekend. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back. See you Monday.